In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a help center in Notion. Whether you manage a small team or run a large organization, having a centralized place where people can find the support and resources they need is essential. Notion is a fantastic tool that can help you organize this information effectively, and today we'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can create a help center that is both functional and easy to maintain. To kick things off, we'll start by creating a help center homepage. This will serve as the central hub where users can access different resources and support materials. Open your Notion workspace and start a new page. It's beneficial to title this page clearly as Help Center Homepage so that it's instantly recognizable for anyone who opens it. This page will act as the main navigation point, so think about it as the welcome mat for your users. Within your new page, you can utilize Notion's gallery or list view for a clean, structured layout. Choosing the gallery view allows content to be displayed visually appealing, making it easier for users to find what they need at a glance. However, if you're working with a large volume of information or prefer a minimalist design, list view might be more appropriate. Next, it's crucial to categorize your content thoughtfully. Common categories include frequently asked questions, getting started guides, troubleshooting, and contact support. You want to make it as easy as possible for your users to find the resources that are relevant to them. Organizing your help center this way makes navigation intuitive and improves the user experience significantly. After defining your categories, embed pages for each of them. Simply create a new page for each category, ensuring that each is aptly named to reflect its content. For instance, under the Getting Started category, you could have pages such as creating an account or installing the software. These pages will each house specific articles or guides. Now let's focus on the design aspect. In Notion, you can customize the appearance of your homepage by adding icons, cover images, and a few thoughtful design elements to make the Help Center not only functional but visually inviting. This is where your creativity can shine, making sure the Help Center represents your brand or organization's ethos. Additionally, consider using a consistent format for each page's content to maintain coherence across the Help Center. This includes uniform font sizes and styles, consistent headings, and standardized terminology, which helps in making the transition between different sections seamless. And there we have it. The core of your Help Center is up and running. Remember, having a dedicated workspace for your team members to continually update and refine the Help Centers is a good practice. Encourage feedback and track how users interact with the Help Center to make necessary adjustments for improvement over time. Now, with these foundations in place, you have a solid starting point for building a comprehensive Help Center in Notion tailored to support your users effectively.